Imagine driving into the wild with a camper that looks like it arrived straight from the year 2027. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ultra 2027 Toyota Adventure Grande 4x4 camper, a machine that is redefining what adventure travel can be. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might just want to trade your traditional RV for this futuristic beast. At first glance, the Adventure Grande 4x4 camper demands attention. Its bold design combines rugged off-road capability with sleek futuristic styling. Every line, every curve, and every detail feels engineered for explorers who refuse to stay on the beaten path. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountain trails, or camping beside a remote lake, this camper looks ready for anything. But looks are only the beginning. Underneath its futuristic exterior is a powerful 4x4 system built to conquer terrain that would stop most campers in their tracks. Deep mud, rocky paths, steep inclines, and rough backcountry roads become part of the adventure instead of obstacles. The elevated ground clearance and advanced suspension system provide confidence no matter where the road, or lack of road, takes you. Now let's step inside. The interior feels less like a camper and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible use of space. Every corner has been designed with comfort and practicality in mind. Premium seating, modern finishes, intelligent lighting, and panoramic windows create an atmosphere that feels open, relaxing, and surprisingly luxurious. Imagine waking up in the middle of nature, opening the shades, and being greeted by breathtaking mountain views from the comfort of your bed. That's exactly the kind of experience this camper is built to deliver. The kitchen area is equally impressive. Equipped with modern appliances, smart storage solutions, and sleek countertops, it allows travelers to prepare meals almost anywhere. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before hitting the trail or cooking dinner under the stars, everything you need is within reach. And then there's the technology. The 2027 Adventure Grande embraces the future with advanced digital controls, smart connectivity, and intelligent energy management systems. Many functions can be monitored and controlled through integrated touchscreens, giving travelers complete control over lighting, climate, power usage, and more. It's like having a smart home that follows you wherever you go. For those who love extended adventures, this camper is designed with self-sufficiency in mind. Advanced battery systems, solar charging capabilities, and efficient water management help make off-grid travel easier than ever. Imagine spending days, or even weeks, far away from crowded campgrounds while still enjoying modern comforts. But what truly sets this camper apart is its versatility. One day you're navigating rugged mountain trails. The next day you're parked on a beautiful beach watching the sunset. Then you're exploring forests, deserts, or hidden scenic routes that most travelers never get to experience. The Adventure Grande transforms every destination into your personal backyard. And let's talk about safety. Modern driver assistance technologies, enhanced visibility systems, and intelligent monitoring features help provide peace of mind whether you're driving through busy highways or remote wilderness areas. The best adventures aren't just about reaching a destination. They're about the freedom to go wherever your curiosity leads. That's the philosophy behind the Ultra 2027 Toyota Adventure Grande 4x4 camper. It combines power, comfort, technology, and exploration into one incredible package that feels ready for the future of travel. So what do you think? Could this be the ultimate adventure camper of 2027? Would you take it into the mountains, across the desert, or on a cross-country journey you've always dreamed about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'd love to know where your first adventure would be. If you enjoyed this look at the future of camping and overlanding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next amazing adventure vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.